Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Louis Vuitton carry-all bag from Babalabags. I have worked with them in the past and I'm working with them again to show you guys this super cute bag. And if you are new here, they specialize in high quality reps, so they have a lot of different designers on their website, but specifically the one I've been working with them with is Louis Vuitton. So let's get into it. It did come in this super big box and it did get a little messed up, the box specifically, but that's okay because the actual bag is good. So it does come with a dust bag, and this bag is kind of big. So in here it did come with like little pamphlets and stuff, but let's get into our bag. So the dust bag does have Louis Vuitton on it. And this carry-all is so cute. It kind of reminds me of like Louis Vuitton's Neverfull bags. So I thought this was so cute. I did get it in the monogram print. Let me back up some. So it's such a super cute bag to wear on the shoulder. It is big, so it does allow you to carry a lot of stuff in here. I like the little key tag on here. I like with this bag that you can tie it, so that's pretty much like how you style this bag, is you just tie it in like a bow, and then that's how you keep it closed. So this is the side of it, and I like how it has like that little buckle kind of look, and then the other side, and then on top it just says Louis Vuitton. And then another thing I really liked about this bag is so cute, but I'm gonna untie it and then you pop it open. It's like this deep purple violet kind of inside, and it does have a zipper, so this bag has a lot of space. But one of my favorite things about it was that it came with a pouch. So I love this so much. I have to figure out how to attach the pouch inside the bag. So similar to like how the Neverfull is, it does have this loop, and you would put it on here so that your pouch can stay on the bag. So like that. So really love that about it. Basically I would use this like a toiletry bag. So like put some extra pads in here, perfume sample, lip gloss, just little girly dainty stuff. And then like I said, so much space. Like this is really honestly like a good mom bag as well, or even a good work purse if you girls are going into the office. I feel like this makes such a good work bag. So you can put a laptop in here. Like this makes such a good versatile bag. So it has a zipper, so I like that. So a zipper for a lot of space. And then I like that it has these two pockets on the inside as well, so it has organization to it. So hope you guys can see that, like there's two pockets so that you stay organized with this bag. So I feel like this is really nice. I feel like the name speaks for itself as a carry-all bag, because you can just have everything. So yeah guys, that is the bag. I love it so much. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I will have all of Babalabags information linked in the description box for you guys, plus a discount code so you can save money off of your purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.